Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one I'm going to do the Apex Legend FPS drop test in the Realme GT2 device. Right now as you can see friends, this is a Realme GT2 which I'm trying to use exactly in this video for the demonstration. And let's see friends how is the FPS going to maintain under this FPS drop test in this device. Right now the FPS did drop to 39 FPS. As you can see friends, 39 is the lowest value. That's what I thought of doing in this video exactly in the Realme GT2 device. So Realme GT2 we just got the Snapdragon 888 processor. So 39 is the lowest value which we have seen right now, the FPS which have been dropped in the Realme GT2 smartphone. Let's find out friends overall how is the gameplay going to be there in this device. So that's what we'll try to see in this video right now. Right now I think it's maintaining. It dropped to 52 just now FPS. Right now as you can see friends, overall it's maintaining pretty good and stable, not bad. And let me do the FPS drop test again second time, one more time. Let's see how is the FPS drop test gonna be there. In case if you're interested in this kind of gameplay review, so make sure to follow my gaming channel which I have created friends. In the gaming channel I did try to post plenty of videos related to the other smartphones. So other smartphones, what phones are actually supporting with the 90 FPS in the battlegrounds mobile game, and Apex Legend, what is the default graphics settings, what is the maximum settings you can actually play. All these videos I did upload in my gaming channel. You can check out the gaming channel for more updates as well. Let me to continue. Right now as you can see for the FPS how much it dropped, so it went down to 37 again, it reached to 57, 53 right now, 43 FPS right now as you can see it's maintaining. So yes, now I did see some kind of lag going on, like little bit, not that much frame drops, little bit kind of frame drops I did observe. But overall you can see friends FPS how it's maintaining. Change process of demonstration. Not bad, right, regarding the frame rates and everything. As you can see friends, FPS how it's kind of maintaining during this process of demonstration.
Oh look, someone wandered into our safe space. Contact. Vortex ready to go. Reloaded. Down. Oh look, someone wandered into our safe space. Reloading. Shooting. I'm going in. Reloading. Reloading. Reloading.
So there's a quick FPS drop test friends which I thought of doing on this Realme GT2 as well.
Reloading. Oh look, someone wandered into our safe space. Deploying health drone. Scanning the area.
So finally friends, we did see a little bit kind of FPS decreased up to close to 40 FPS as well during this processor demonstration in the Realme GT2 two devices which I got right now. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until instead for more updates, it's a quick FPS drop test. Until then, signing off and bye.